Inconel is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the production of a family of nickel-chromium-based superalloys. These alloys are known for their excellent resistance to high temperatures, corrosion, and oxidation. Inconel is commonly used in applications that require high strength and durability, such as gas turbine blades, jet engines, and chemical processing equipment. The manufacturing process of Inconel involves melting the nickel-chromium alloy in a furnace and then casting it into various shapes and sizes. The alloy is then heat-treated to enhance its mechanical properties and resistance to corrosion and oxidation. Inconel can also be machined, welded, and formed into different shapes and sizes to meet specific design requirements. Inconel is a critical component in many manufacturing industries, including aerospace, automotive, chemical processing, and power generation. Its unique properties make it an ideal material for high-temperature and high-stress applications. Inconel is also used in the medical industry for implants and surgical instruments due to its biocompatibility and resistance to corrosion. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. The company has extensive experience in working with various materials, including Inconel. Berkness Company's team of skilled engineers and technicians can provide expert advice on the design and production of Inconel parts and components. If you are interested in learning more about Inconel and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts can provide you with a comprehensive consultation and help you determine the best solution for your specific needs. With Berkness Company's expertise in Inconel and other materials, you can be confident that your manufacturing process will be optimized for maximum efficiency and performance. FAQs. 1. What is Inconel and what are its properties? Inconel is a family of nickel-chromium-based superalloys that are known for their excellent resistance to high temperatures, corrosion, and oxidation. They are commonly used in manufacturing applications that require high strength and durability, such as aerospace, chemical processing, and nuclear power plants. 2. How is Inconel manufactured? Inconel is typically produced through a process called vacuum induction melting, VIM, which involves melting the raw materials in a vacuum chamber and then pouring the molten metal into a mold to form the desired shape. The resulting ingot is then processed through a series of steps, including forging, rolling, and heat treatment, to achieve the desired properties. 3. What are some common applications of Inconel in manufacturing? Inconel is used in a wide range of manufacturing applications, including gas turbine engines, chemical processing equipment, nuclear reactors, and aerospace components. It is also commonly used in high-temperature applications such as furnace components, heat exchangers, and exhaust systems. In addition, Inconel is often used in marine and offshore applications due to its excellent resistance to corrosion and seawater. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.